In this video, I'm going to show some drills you can do with your child after he or she has watched the video Meet the Numbers and Bars. Here are the things that we'll be working on with these drills. Learning the numbers that each bar represents, comparing the size of different bars and combinations of bars, matching bars and combinations of bars with other bars and combinations, and finding the difference between different bars and combinations of bars. So for the first drill, hold up different bars and ask your child to say what number each one represents. Then say different numbers and ask your child to show you the matching bar. Now here are some drills on comparing the size of different bars and combinations of bars. Starting with a 2-bar comparison. Pick up any 2 bars and ask your child which is bigger. Then pick up any 3 bars and ask your child which is the biggest and which is the smallest. Now here are some drills on comparing the size of different combinations of bars. Say, let's find out which is bigger, a brown bar or a light green bar next to a purple bar. Then lay out the bars and ask which is bigger. Now give your child a different combination. For example, an orange compared to a yellow next to a light green. Ask your child to lay out these bars and say which is bigger. Then try this combination. 3 light greens next to each other compared to 2 yellows next to each other. Now here are some drills on matching. Say, let's find 2 bars that match a black. First, put a black down. Then put a yellow and a red next to the black to show that they match. Now ask the child to find 2 other bars that match the black. Then ask the child to find 3 bars that match a brown. Now lay down an orange bar and say, I want to match this orange bar with 2 other bars that are the same color. First try 2 purples. They don't match. So then try 2 yellows, and they do match. So you say, 2 yellows match the orange. Now lay down a dark green bar and ask your child to match it using 2 other bars of the same color. Now lay down a blue bar and ask your child to match it with 3 bars of the same color. Finally, here are some drills in finding the difference between bars. These drills are very useful for helping your child get ready to use the bars to solve subtracting problems, as we'll see later. Lay down a black bar and put a light green just above it and say, I want to find out how much bigger the black bar is compared to the light green. Put a purple next to the light green and say, the purple makes the difference. Now lay down 2 other bars and ask your child, what is the difference between these 2 bars?